Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you on how to delete WhatsApp call history permanently. First things first, let's go straight to our WhatsApp app. As you open the app, you will see here the chats icon below, update icon, communities icon, and calls icon. Next to do is click this calls icon to see the call history. Now, if you want to delete a particular call, like one call only, then simply select from the list that you want to delete permanently. To do that, long press the particular call like this one, then tap this recycle bin icon at the upper part of the screen. Alright? Now, if you want to delete all these call history at once, simply tap these three dots on the upper part of the screen, then select clear call log, then tap OK. Alright? So that's simply how to delete WhatsApp call history permanently. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and hit the notification bell and don't forget to subscribe.